Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools on the market. Today, we're taking a closer look at the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary tool, which we believe is the best Dremel for jewelry making. If you're into DIY crafts, jewelry making, or just love having the perfect tool for intricate tasks, stick around because this could be exactly what you're looking for. Right out of the box, you'll notice this tool is compact, lightweight, and easy to handle, making it perfect for those detailed projects where precision is key. Whether you're sanding, polishing, drilling, or even engraving, this little powerhouse will meet your needs. One of its standout features is its adjustable speed settings, with 5 different RPM levels ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM. This gives you total control over your project, whether you're working on delicate jewelry or more demanding tasks. The tool is powered by a 3.7 volts rechargeable battery, and the best part? You can use it while charging, so you never have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of a project. The USB charging feature also adds to the convenience, allowing you to easily recharge it with a standard cable. The ergonomic design is another win for this rotary tool. It has a pen-like grip, which allows for precise control, ensuring you can work on even the most intricate details of your jewelry pieces with ease and comfort. Plus, the inclusion of 69 different accessories makes it versatile enough for a wide range of tasks. One feature that sets this mini rotary tool apart from others is the LED light that helps illuminate your workspace, especially when you're working in low light conditions. This small addition makes a big difference when you're dealing with fine details, like etching or engraving on tiny surfaces. The HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary tool is not just powerful, it's also a joy to use. Its lightweight design and variety of speeds make it perfect for both beginners and seasoned pros. Whether you're crafting jewelry, customizing gifts, or just working on your next DIY masterpiece, this tool will help you achieve professional results with ease. So, if you're looking for a reliable, easy-to-use, and highly versatile tool for your jewelry making or DIY crafts, the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary tool is a top choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the best tools on the market.